Are you looking for a budget-friendly way to completely transform your back patio? Make sure you stay tuned, as in this video I'm going to show you how we transformed our backyard into a lighted, relaxing back patio. I'm Lindsay with Organized to Save, and today's video is a part of a collaboration with Christina from the DIY Mommy. She's putting together an outdoor DIY and decor challenge, so today's video is a part of that. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, I'm here to help you with your budget-friendly organizing and life hacks. So make sure you hit that subscribe button below, as I post new videos every single Wednesday. I'm going to show you how we did a budget-friendly lighting solution which completely transformed our backyard. The supplies that we used only totaled $70. I'll say that does not include the plants because I want you to be able to pick your own. But for the base materials, it only cost us $70 to completely transform our backyard. So let me show you what we did. So this is the before. You can see our backyard is a decent back patio, but we really wanted to step it up a notch. So these benches we built last year, so we wanted to create a lighting solution just to tie it all in. So the first thing that we did was go shopping. I found these barrels at Aldi's, and then we went to Lowe's to get the rest of the materials. All right, so we just found our wood. We are using these, what are they? 2 by 2 by 8 feet. Wood boards. They're already pressure treated, so good to go. So we also got 2 bags of concrete and then some eye hooks and then dirt and plants to fill it all in. Now it's time to start assembling. The first thing that we did was we drilled holes at the very top of the poles so that way we could screw in those little eye hooks that we got, because this is where we're going to be hanging the lights off of. Next, we mixed up all of the concrete. Now, I will say we used a bag per barrel, but that's because we wanted to leave some space at the top for plants. So you're gonna need about 3 quarts of water per bag of concrete for the kind that we used. So hubby did all the work. He mixed it all up until it was all good to go. And then we just simply put the pole down into the concrete. Now, I will say after the fact, we would suggest somehow securing the pole to the bottom of the barrel before pouring the concrete, just because our pole is a little bit flimsy. So if you braced it on the bottom somehow, that would be ideal. We then just placed boards on either side of the pole and weighted it down with bricks so that it would stay steady. At this point, you're going to want to make sure that you drill drainage holes if you are planning on using the top as a planter. That way, water can easily drain out when it's needed. Once it was dry, we ended up using some leftover pebbles from a previous project, but that way it just helps with extra drainage, so just put that on the bottom, and then you can go ahead and put your dirt right on the top and do the fun part of starting to do some planting. I started by just laying out the plants in the pot just to see how I wanted to arrange it, and then once I was happy with the arrangement, I went ahead and started putting them in the soil. What are you doing, Ellie? Mommy. Yeah. Are you planting? Yeah. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite herb or favorite flower? I am really excited about having fresh basil because I love putting it on our pizzas, which we do weekly. So I wanted to actually label what everything was that I put in the garden, so I just used lemongrass, basil, peppermint, cilantro, and lavender. I picked these plants specifically because a lot of them are said to help with mosquitoes. Another quick DIY that I did was I needed to give this fireplace lid a quick update. I just used some high heat resistant spray paint, gave it a quick coat, and holy moly, it made such a difference. I also went around and did the rim of the fireplace because that was starting to get rusted and worn down, and it seriously looks like a brand new fireplace. Don't want to permanently attach the lights to the house? A great option are these siding hooks. I will leave a link to these down below, but in order to attach the lights, we just put a zip tie through the top of that eyelet hook that I showed you earlier, and it kept it nice and secure. So we just did a triangle pattern, but you could obviously lay these out in any way you wanted to. But now it is time to put all the light bulbs in. Make sure to stay tuned for the very end of the video as I show you what it looks like lit up at night. It is simply magical. Okay, so I just finished stringing all of the lights. So now It's the moment of truth to see if this works. Let's find out. It worked! Let me show you. They are lit. It's time to put it all together. If you're looking for some extra behind the scenes organizing hacks, make sure to check me out over on Instagram as I give you a ton of extra sneak peeks over there. You guys, I am so thrilled with this backyard. I love that the pot gives it just that nice touch of greenery, and I'm excited to be able to use some fresh herbs throughout the summer. And look at this fireplace. It's crazy to think that one can of spray paint can make such a difference. And now for my favorite part, look at this, you guys. I think I'm going to be living outside during the summer. I love the feeling that it gives it. It's so nice to be able to see the area, but the lights really don't make it like too bright. The number one thing that I'm looking forward to doing this summer is just chilling out here, making some memories with my family, and making up some s'mores. Make sure to check out the video on your screen right now for some more inspiration, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.